are discoing. Hope you're loving your life. One life to live. Oh, disco. Deliver me. Oh, to the promised disco land. Oh, take me, oh, disco. Oh. I gotta let you know, let you go, sweetheart. I love you, disco. Oh. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm not sorry about that disco song. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're disco, and this is a gold brief. I'm gonna be talking about gold, silver. If I have time, I'll do GDX. Okay, this is the chart for the mighty King Dollar. And what do we have here? We have indecisive candle. You know what I thought about? I thought about the NASDAQ back in March 2009 when you have a hammer and an inverted hammer the day after. You do not ignore that at all. But I mean, that there's indecisive decision, so it's okay. But when you have that in a downtrend, plus the dollar goes that much, and gold goes more than 1.5%. So please do not ignore that. Hammer, inverted hammer. Remember that, please. And yet, you might have the KISS formation, which is extremely, extremely powerful, and you still have high readings in the indicators. Okay, let me look at the weekly time frame. It's extremely close to have a positive divergence. Okay. Once you get this bad boy over 20, it might be really powerful. So no decision yet, but it is extremely close, and you have to respect that. You have to be careful if you buying anything against the dollar. So you tested a low 3 weeks in the last 4 weeks, and that low got rejected. You got to be careful, man. You got to be careful. So do not think that the King Dollar will give up here. It could. There's no buy signal, but you got to be careful. Okay. This is the most important thing to me because I love gold. I love trading gold. So what I see here, this is the USD JPY. What I see really, really bullish actions. I see a bullish crossover between the 10 and 20-day moving average. I see a rise in higher lows. So you tested this uptrend line, and so far you succeeded. I see a one white soldier right here. It's really not a one white soldier because you could do it if you ignore the tail. So it's one white soldier, and you closed above yesterday's high. So it's definitely some bullish development in the USD JPY, a bullish crossover in the 10 and 20-day moving average. It's definitely good, and you managed to close above the 10 and 20-day moving average. Please do not ignore that. Please, I beg you, do not ignore that. Okay. What do I see here? I see a KISS formation. I see a possibility of the stochastic hooking up back up again, because this will hook up again in Monday. I see an RSI rejecting a lower registration and registered 53, which is over 50, which is really good. It indicates the step of the buyers will step in and buy it up. Okay, so please don't ignore that. This is really bad for gold. This is really, really bad for gold. Gold. All right. This is the weekly. I want the daily, man. What's the matter with you? Okay. The daily, what I see here is the high of Feb 2023, the low of March 9th, equals to the high of Fibonacci extension. Let me see it in the weekly. I can do it later. But come on, where is you, man? The weekly will give me a better, precise. I think it's 189 now. Looks like it's 17. Let me get rid of this bad boy. Oh, Jungle D, Jungle J, you is okay. Oh God, it's over 167, which is over 162. Fibonacci extension. Okay. All right. So let's look. Yeah. So you hit Fibonacci extension, which is really important. Which is sometimes it's a terminal move. I think this move is terminal, and I think people are extremely bullish now on gold. It's really weird. So ABC, Fibonacci extension. Second, you have an extreme rejection from an old price memory. I will talk about it in the weekly time frame. You have a bearish engulfing right here. You have a bearish engulfing, which is really not good when you have that type of rejection. And also, you still have this bearish wedge intact with a failure at the upper trend line. So, this is as far as the chart is concerned. You have a kiss formation right here, which is really, really bad. You have a negative divergence with an intact bearish discount combo. So this is really not good for gold. Even if it goes back, if it break this high, this negative energy might come back. And I will keep an open mind. I promise you, if it does that, I will buy it up. But I'll be weary about it. I really change my views all the time because I do this for a living. I'm not here to be an academic. Good deal. So this is the weekly time frame for gold. And if you see back in 2021, November till March, you have a higher high in the price action in the weekly time frame and then lower highs in the stochastic, and that's what happens. And now we have that same thing right here with a bearish wedge. Once you break the 2000, you're in trouble. Okay, you're in trouble in the weekly time frame. Capiche? And also, this is a shooting star in the weekly. Is this good? No. So you've been having rejection from upper price for since 10th. Wait, only 2 times, but really not. It's not bullish at all. So rejection. You close below rejection. So if we go 1.5% next week, goodbye. So I don't hate gold. I love gold. I love trading gold. I just love it. I just look at it and love it. So I'm not bearish because I'm against gold. All right, silver. Silver is the same. You have a bearish engulfing that came from a bull trap. It's a bull trap. You don't want bull traps, okay? With a kiss formation and a bearish disco combo, okay? Let's talk about GDX. Look if I have anything for GDX here. I'm gonna. Okay, GDX1. Please good. All right. This is my bullish scenario in GDX. Let me talk about my bearish scenario. See, I have scenarios in my always I have scenarios. I'm not prima bull or prima bear. So I don't like these guys. I really don't. And I'm always trying to keep an open mind. I always try to understand what's going on. Okay. As I said, time and time again, there is no volume that shows me that the top is in. It really is confusing. No volume at all. No volume. But it doesn't mean it's bullish, though. It means the market movers did not give up on it yet. They might give up one day. So I'm not going to wait until they give me the bag. I'm not gonna hold the bag for them. Okay. So what do I see in the price action? I see a bull trap right here, failure. But I see a bullish rejection, a bullish candle yet. It's on Friday. Friday is very tricky. A lot of shorts cover their positions everywhere. So it's definitely a bullish candle. And it's outperformed both gold and silver, which is really, really good. But it's Friday, so I gotta be careful. So, see, there's no. This bad boy should be in the 50 million, but it's not. So market movers did not give up on GDX yet, but they could. They really could. And what I don't like, so it's a bull trap. I don't like why GDXJ is really lagging. See, it's really lagging in price. And I got hurt so many times when GDX does that. GDXJ does that. You can see that in August. See, GDXJ August 12th was really lagging behind in this distribution formation. Yet GDX was almost making a new high. New the high. See the difference. See the difference. So I don't like that lag, even though this is a bullish candle at that time, but they lagged. So I don't like that. I really don't like that. So GDX for sure did not have that volume that shows me the market movers have left it. But as you see here, same thing. Bull trap, his formation, negative divergence, which is really dangerous, especially when you go through this euphoria. You really always test this euphoria, as I said many times, and you fail. This is classic top. Classic. I've seen it so many times. But the volume did not confirm this bearish scenario yet. And I will be bullish once this thing get invalidated. So also this negative divergence is still there, and you confirm it with the stochastic going below 80. This is the weekly time frame, by the way. Okay, So I forgot to say, please like if you like, please if you want this material, please I can do it daily if I see more support. Like if you like, please share, please subscribe, please do remember this goes forever.